If you're seeing a Beehiiv service unavailable error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually temporary, but there are a few simple checks you can do to get Beehiiv working again quickly. If this guide helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes the error happens because the page did not load properly, and a quick refresh is enough to clear it. If that doesn't work, wait a few minutes and try again. Service unavailable messages can happen when Beehiiv is having temporary server issues, so giving it a little time can help. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, or try switching to another network if possible. A weak connection can sometimes make Beehiiv look like it's down when the real issue is on your side. After that, open Beehiiv in an Incognito window. This is a great test because Incognito mode disables most saved browser data and can help you figure out whether the issue is related to your browser session. If Beehiiv works there, the problem is likely tied to your normal browser settings, cache, or extensions. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause login or loading problems. After clearing the cache and cookies, reopen Beehiiv and try again. If the error still appears, disable browser extensions one by one. Some extensions can interfere with website scripts and prevent pages from loading correctly. Browser add-ons that block scripts, track activity, or modify page content are often the main cause. Also, make sure to disable any ad blockers while testing Beehiiv. Even if an ad blocker seems unrelated, it can still prevent key page elements from loading and trigger service errors. If none of that works, log out of Beehiiv completely, then close the browser, reopen it, and log back in. A fresh session can often resolve account-related loading issues or stuck authentication problems. After logging back in, check whether the service unavailable message is gone. In many cases, one of these simple steps will get Beehiiv working again without needing anything more advanced. So to recap, refresh the page, wait a few minutes, check your internet, use Incognito mode, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, turn off ad blockers, log out, and log back in. If you're still having trouble after trying all of that, the issue may be on Beehiiv's side, and you may need to wait for their service to recover. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.